welcome back on this channel, brother. OMG. We see a big surprise. Now, actually, it's not a big surprise. If you're watching my channel, you know that this dump happening as we are approaching today full moon. And on full moon, you know, we see usually dump happening, and this is exactly what we see here. Here we have, this is the chart which you from the most of YouTubers see, crypto influencers. You see here this channel which we broke out. Everyone said, if you not go here long, your whole life is wrong. And what happened? Boom, dump happening. And we are about to break inside of this channel. But what the most of YouTubers didn't show you is the total crypto market cap. Actually, if you're watching this channel, you know, we are never broke out of this channel on the total crypto market cap. We just retested and got rejected. So what's now interesting is, as I said here also yesterday on Twitter, is if we close a daily candle below this white support line, as it seems right now, and today is actually the most important candle, because if we closing here this candle down below this white line, this is for us exactly the sign that the market maker will grab the liquidity, which is here down at 60 below 69k. I mean, we reached our price target at 69k exactly, but they will chase the liquidity which is here down below 69k. And everyone who says we have right now all the Bitcoin ETFs, we never go to 61k, bro, you see how quickly they selling. You see here FBTC, you know, 2 days before they bought 133 million, and yesterday they sold 75 million. Only BlackRock, our Blackhawk, is the only one who is supporting us with 380 million, but this is not enough because we've been only with 32 million Bitcoin ETF inflow positive. Yes, they're expecting next days they will sell more FBTC, BITB, ARC-B, so just block all of them on Twitter because they're selling our Bitcoins. But it's also good because we're getting cheap Bitcoin and new entry positions. And I will do also, by the way, I will do this month, I will do a new challenge for myself. If you want, you can join. I will do myself a challenge for, I want to trade with 100k in profits. So I want to do this month $100,000 profits. You know, last month I did approximately 60k in profits. Please don't judge me on this. Don't judge me on this. Come on, don't judge me on this. This month I made here trading performance. Everything is here transparent, bro. Everything transparent on this channel. So last 60 days I made 64k. It's nice. Here last 30 days I made 45k approximately with Pepe. With Pepe I did it. And this month I want to do 100k. I want to make 100k profits this month, and I think it will be also possible with trading Pepe. I mean, some of you want maybe to trade Bitcoin, but if you want, you can join. And last month, by the way, we had on Bitget we have here our how it called ranking, and Snowflake was number one here on our trading challenge. Congratulations, bro. I will speak with Bitget that we will have another challenge here where you can win, for example, here a remover luggage classic trunk. You get paid in USDT, or you can win also here iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want, you can make just a registration on here in my description down below. Boom. You have here ByBit, either ByBit 30k, or you get Bitget bonus $8,000, or Weex $380. It's the easiest to get the bonus $380, but the other one's also possible, but you have to trade. It's basically only for professional traders, or you can just go in the pinned comment. Here are all the links down below. But let's speak again about Bitcoin here, because it's so interesting. What could now happen is that we have here a lot of liquidity still up to 75k. So the market maker could trap us right now here. And I mean, we have a clear sign that we will see this dump to 61,500. We will see this dump, especially here if we're taking out the FIB, bro, I'm so professional, the FIB. Ha! The FIB level. Да ёбаный ты, блядь, по голове. 7 here, boom. The FIB. We see we are exactly right now. This was not the right. We have here to go down to this level. I know you don't like it if I have my breakfast here in my videos, but what to do? So you see we are perfectly retesting right now the FIB 0236. And the next level would be 65k, 63k, and 60k. And 60k, around 60k, 61,500. This we have the most of liquidity. This is what we're expecting. We will see the dump. And also, this is the biggest support at Fibonacci 0618. But what we could right now still see before we reaching this level is, and now it's getting interesting, and we have to zoom in. If we are watching on the 4-hourly, we are oversold. We are heavily oversold. But not only that we are heavily oversold here, but also we formed here a bullish divergence, which is not the biggest one, but still it's a bullish divergence. You see RSI is going down while the price is going up. But if we are zooming even more in, what the fuck, what's that? Oh, wait a minute. If we're zooming even more in to the 1-hourly, then we see here exactly that we are crazy, bro. We are crazy overbought. We have a massive bullish divergence. You see the RSI is going down while the price is going up. So what we could potentially see is here another big wick, and we have also here green dots appearing. So what we could see, in case you are right now in a short position and you made here already a massive profits, as I told you, here was the opportunity to short down, you made already 4% profits. Just be careful, because what we could see here right now, as we have here this bullish divergence, we could see a massive pump here to 75k. It could be an 8% pump possible. I wouldn't long here because it's too dangerous. Only if we're breaking again here above this support line at 70,500, then this would be a long opportunity, but I would be very careful here. But this is what I'm expecting. We could see easily here the market maker grab the liquidity up to 75k before we see here this massive break to our Fibonacci 60k support line. Just watch out for this scenario. And what I'm watching, because I'm in my Pepe long position, and my trading competition for myself is 100k to make 100k profits this month. Pepe and GME, and GME is pumping from time to time heavily, and I'm for months in this position right now, but I'm expecting GME to go into profits anyways. I think it's even it will be a nice long opportunity as soon as we see another dump, and I will be 10k in a loss for GME for the next month, because it will pump anyways as soon as Roaring Kitty is tweeting something about it. But Pepe also I'm expecting here to pump, not now because Bitcoin is dumping obviously, and I'm still expecting here Pepe. You see here this boxes are the liquidities, which I showed you in the previous videos already, and we are expecting to go to 833. This is where we have the first big chunk of liquidity. Let's check out Pepe. Ooh, wait. Oh shit, we still have at 011. So you see here we have a lot of liquidity at 011, here the yellow line. So it could mean that we see here at 011, oh, Pepe is dumping. You see, I just got the alert here. You see here, just got the alert. So what we could see here right now, yeah, Pepe is dumping. Yeah, bro, chill. I know. I see. We could see still, if Bitcoin, if the market maker will grab the liquidity at 75k, we could still here see wick to 1 before we see again a dump to 0833. But 0833 is inevitable in my opinion. 0833 is inevitable, as we have here a lot of liquidity at 0833. If we're zooming out here on the monthly or even on the 3-month, and we have here, we are watching right now about 0833, 0832 even, we have a lot of liquidity here. So they will grab this liquidity. They will probably grab all the liquidity here down to 0.75 or something, or the second chunk is, as I showed you also in the charts, is going down here from 6.9 as we like it to 6.5. So all this chunk of liquidity they can also grab. Depends how low Bitcoin will go. If Bitcoin will go to 54k, where we have a massive at 54k, we have here a massive, where is it? Nah, wait a minute here. We have a massive CME gap, which we still not closed here. So we could go at 54k. Then it's almost guaranteed that we will see Pepe down to 0.65. This would be also nice. I don't care, because my liquidation price is at 0.2. 0.27, but as if we go down to this levels, which we just spoke about, to 0.65, so here approximately, if we're going down to these levels here, then I would add to my position. I think I will start to add at 0.075 here, and then 0.65. 0.833 I will not add right now, even though I told yesterday at 0.833 I will add to my position. I will not do this because we are right now in new moon, and on new moon we see usually dump, and I'm expecting here Bitcoin further to dump. And you know, the more Bitcoin dumping, the heavier altcoins dumping. But on the positive side, because I'm the only one who's always realistic and not telling you here we will see to the moon, on the positive side is I expecting this to be the last dump here. So full moon we will have full moon on the 15th of November, so in 2 weeks, and approximately latest in 10 days I expecting here, maybe we will visit 54k, let's see, but in 10 days approximately I expecting here a massive pump and break finally out of this bull flag, and break especially out here on the total crypto market cap out of this bull flag. And this will be the biggest confirmation if we are closing a weekly candle here above this bull flag on the total crypto market cap. Then we know we are heading here, because the total crypto market cap, the bull flag on the total crypto market cap is showing us, let's measure here from the top to the downside, and let's make the pessimistic one. The first price tag would be $3.5 trillion market cap. What you don't know what it is, $3.5 trillion market cap, but it would basically a new all-time high, a real new all-time, because on total crypto market cap, Bitcoin wise we did a new all-time high, but on the total crypto market cap we never had an all-time high yet. And you know, the real bull market starting as soon as we're breaking here the total crypto market cap all-time high from 2021. As soon as we break it here, $3.3 trillion, then you know the market will go crazy. And this will be the moment when we will see also altcoins pumping like crazy. This is when we will see the Bitcoin dominance will go down from 60% down, and the altcoins will take over. As you see it here, this is the total market cap without Bitcoin excluding, and we have also here also a massive bull flag, as you see it here. So I mean, don't watch on my drawing here, but we can connect either the wicks or we can connect here the bodies, and I'm connected right now the bodies. But you see it here also, altcoins would even, I think, outperform here Bitcoin. This would be pump of approximately this would be pump 57% in the total altcoin market cap, and the total crypto market cap would be a pump of, wait a minute, I have to measure here. Yeah, 47%. So this is a clear sign that the altcoins, this will be the altcoin rally. We would obviously, this would be a price target for Bitcoin at least to 80k. At least to 80k, what I'm expecting here in the next 2 weeks, Bitcoin reaching 80k at least in the next 2 weeks, and altcoins would go crazy. For example, Pepe, I expecting here to breaking out of this channel or breaking into this channel and back again here to our support line. I have to extend to our support line here at least at the, wait a minute, I have to turn off the logarithmic. Wait a minute. At least to break to our price target of 1.14 approximately. If we are breaking this, I'm for sure here confident that we will break to this level. If we are breaking to this level, I would make here profits of, wait a minute, it's 1.14. So my profit would be here approximately 58k on ByBit, 58k. And on Bitget, it would be, wait a minute. Hello. Bro. Wait a minute, I have to aktualisieren. On Bitget, it would be approximately 70k. So I would made around how much? 60, 20, 80, something like 70k. This is nice. Then I have only to make 30k more to reach my challenge, because the challenge is 100k. Let's see. I'm expecting here in the next days the Bitcoin ETF outflow, that here they will sell. This betrayer will sell. Maybe BlackRock will decrease their buyings, because right now you see 600. We had here 300, 300, 600, 800, and now it's going down again to 300. I'm expecting the next day 200, 100 or something like that. And always keep in mind, bro, I mean, anytime they will sell, anytime they're deciding altogether to sell, this could bring the market easily down to 33k. I don't want to say we will go to 33k, even though on the big picture we could go here to 36k. You see, wait a minute here. On the big picture, we could still here retest 32k, 30, no, not 32k, but something like around 33k, 35k. We could retest if they're deciding all to sell, bro, because this is the ones who moving the market. You have to be realistic. And also what I showed you yesterday, bro, you see the fear and greed index is at neutral. We've been in greed, and right now it's going into neutral. So what we want to see in the next days, that we are going into fear or extreme fear. As soon as we are hitting extreme fear, this is the moment when we know in the next days or hours we will see bounce. This is what I'm watching right now. So I'm watching the fear and greed index. I'm watching here where's the liquidity here in order to make my 100k profits this month. And I'm preparing here my trades. As you know, on Bitget, ByBit, you get bonus 8,030k, or on Weex, you get $380 bonus. If you want to check it out, it's easier to get. It's only KYC and a little bit money to put in the futures, but only for professional trader. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.